What's up, you guys? Welcome back to a brand new video. Welcome back to the channel. Make sure to hit the subscribe button, the like button, turn on the post notifications, follow me on Instagram. Today we're going to AA Concepts. We're going to the homie Anthony's shop. We're going to get a new car part for the M4 GTS, adding a little mod just before Beamer Invasion. If you guys haven't heard of Beamer Invasion, you guys should check it out if you guys are from LA, SoCal. It's going to be a huge show, like thousands of BMWs. It's supposed to be like the new Beamer Fest. So yeah, just gonna get a couple of car parts installed for the M4 GTS. I'll pick up the camera once we're at Anthony's and I'll show you guys the carbon mod, the new carbon mod that I got for the M4 GTS. All right guys, we just made it to Anthony's. We're gonna get a cold start on this car right now. It's just gonna be loud, dude. He just got it back too. I think he had it tuned. Had to send like the DME out. Literally one of my favorite G82s out there. What's up? That shit is sick. Look at how mean that is. And that color too.
You want to come in?
Huh?
You want to come in?
Huh?
We just tuned.
He just had the car tuned, guys. And we gotta see how it feels. I don't think I've been in a GAX platform where it's tuned. So this will be my first time. Oh my god, bro. How fast is it?
Faster than normal.
Yeah.
It's already fucking fast, bro, like stock, but this is way fucking quicker. So you can fucking show.
I'm scared, guys. Bro. Just sounds like gunshots, bro.
That is.
Oh my god. Bro. This car is fast, bro.
This is just a fucking stage 2.
Oh my god. Dude, this thing is insanely fast. Holy shit. And it just goes. It just goes. Oh my god. What happened? Was he the guy that was right there with the phone or something?
He was flipping us off.
Oh my. Dude, this car is no joke.
Alright, I gotta put this back in.
Oh my god.
Honestly, stock G80s,
They're fast? Yeah.
they're fucking sick, bro. Honestly, if you guys want to get anything like with power, honestly, save up for this thing. Anything.
It's worth it, huh? Yeah.
Yeah, anything with the SVTA, man, top notch. Crazy. And
You think it's like the best bang for your buck, right? Like, I mean, so much power.
Yeah, but
And-
honestly, my thoughts, like, obviously everything's upgrading, you know.
Yeah.
Like with BMW, but this is honestly my favorite motor. This is honestly
Better
my
than the
favorite motor.
B58? I heard the B58s are
B58 is good. Look, it makes a good amount of power, but honestly, this thing,
just
dude,
whole
easy
nother
power
level,
with a stage 2 tune is insane.
Yeah.
This thing is fucking quick.
Yeah, that's true.
It's so fucking fast.
Bro, we glided through that street. We were literally gliding. Well, that makes me want a GAX. Dude, Anthony's car is crazy fast. I did not expect that. He could, Abraham couldn't even like he controlled it, but like Anthony needs better tires because that shit is, it's too fast. All right, guys, this is what we're getting today. Carbon fiber antenna, and then also down here, this is gonna be carbon right here, so I think it'll look pretty sick, pretty aggressive. All right, guys, there you have it in carbon. I think it looks cool.
Yeah, this is way better.
Gives a little touch. And carbon. Looks sick. Alrighty guys, so there it is. That's how it looks. I like it a lot. I think it looks cool. Gives it the nice carbon touch. Big shout out to AA Concepts. If you guys need anything carbon fiber for your cars, hit them up. They got everything. Check out their Instagram. Ooh, and just like that, we are in the E92, guys, on our way to the Cars and Connection car meet. It's supposed to be crazy. A lot of crazy supercars, BMWs, Mercedes. It's gonna be crazy. But as you can see, we are in the E92 M3. My favorite car, guys. Just has a lot of memories. I've had this car since 2015 of October, so a lot of memories with this car. And of course, the sound of this car is just insane. You can never go wrong with this sound, ever. All right, guys, well, we have made it to the Cars and Connection. This whole entire parking lot is just flooded with cars. It's insane. We're gonna go through all the cars. What is this? Sheesh.
You know, I got the factory, bro. What's happening?
Sheesh, my boy owns the Nutella company.
And the car doesn't move, he moves.
Big homie Andre.
Yes, no?
This is clean. Got the Mercedes Benz. Yeah, this is sick.
But you see the coupe?
Nice.
They
No, I haven't seen the coupe. Got the new GT3s. Like a Nardo gray. This one has like the blue strips around it. It's pretty cool. And the Artura, the homie Joe's. The Huracan. Shit is crazy. Twin turbo by Sheepy Race. We got the Ferrari F8. Oh my dude, this thing looks so freaking good. Look at that fitment too. It's got the blue interior. Shit is clean. Sheesh. Look at the rear bumper on the Huracan, guys. That shit is crazy. It shoots the craziest flames. Seen flames go up to like right here. It's crazy. The homie Bobby with his Porsche. Got an R8. Got the Porsche, the Turbo S. Look at this color. This color is sick. It's like a greenish, very smooth with the yellow brake calipers on there. You got the little spoiler with the gloss black accents. Damn, the thing is clean. We got the new Aston Martin. Sheesh. Hold up, we gotta check out the interior in this thing real quick. Damn, that interior is crazy. We got the McLaren GT. It's pretty cool. It's not bad. We got the 650S right next to it too.
That's nice.
We got the Huracan STO. This color is so sick. I like when the wheels are like this color, guys, instead of black. I feel like it's burnt out. This is like clean, classy look. You can see the actual style of the wheel. $30,000 option, guys, for this color. It looks so freaking good though. And we got the GT3. We got the Ferrari. Oh shit, what happened? All the cat prints that were on it. Escalade V. All over Nick. Got G80, G82s, M850, G80, Brooklyn Gray. We got the Miami Blue special paint on the F80. Another individual F80. Satin Black G80. We got the GT4 RS. It's pretty cool. This Mercedes is pretty cool. We got the AMG GT.
All over that thing?
Yeah, all over it. MA Comp. All over EJ.
I was right. Damn, all over EJ.
C63S. Beautiful F82 M4 mineral white LCI with the red interior. What the? Is that a cat on the Ferrari? He's just chilling. Look at that.
What's the price that you're actually?
It's good, G. Chilling on the Ferrari. We got the new GT3.
Driver's meeting is happening. Please come on by.
We've got the E60 M5 V10. Looking super clean. G80 M3. It's like a faded wrap. So you got the green, fades into black. Pretty cool color. Got a bunch of good cars out today. We got my E92, of course. The homie Anthony's. The homie Beamer fan pulled up. Sheesh. You hit my door. Woo. Sheesh. We got the 765 LT. That's such a sick color. We got the McLaren 570S. Looking clean. We got ketchup and mustard. The homie Felix with his brand new GTR track spec. They call it the T-spec. It's just crazy. Purple SVJ. My dream car, guys. The homie Sasha with the M8 comp. Sheesh. So opening the front, look how much. You have no space, guys, in this car at all. There's literally no space. You can't even put like a travel bag or anything with you. Looks like everybody's starting to roll out, guys. As you can see, this guy's Mustang is crazy, guys. He shoots the craziest flames. Look at the exhaust. It's up there. Frozen blue Silverstone with the buckets. That's clean. It's just so clean. Alright guys, that's it for today's video. Hope you guys did enjoy it. Make sure to hit that subscribe button, the like button, turn on the post notifications, follow me on Instagram, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Take care. Peace.